Sam, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Me too, thanks. Are you going to support our football team tonight?
I think I will. You know, I like football and I try not to miss any games of the Tigers.
Yes, you're a keen fan indeed. And what about tennis? Did you know that Luis Federico will take part in Wimbledon this year?
Are you kidding? No way. He's a real legend of tennis.
There are some major sporting events held in the UK this year. These events are the British Grand Prix Silverstone. This year, the Formula One race will start on 8th of July. The competition, which was first held in 1950, has the amazing 306,198 kilometers of race distance with 5.891 kilometers circuit length. Golf. The 147th Open Carnoustie will be held this year from 15th to 22nd of July. Last major golf open event was held in Carnoustie, which is located in Scotland, in 2007. It first hosted the Open Championship in 1931. You can buy tickets online with the price for the day ticket starting from £75. Hockey. Women's World Cup will be held this year in the UK. According to the schedule, it will take place from 21st of July to 5th August at the Lee Valley Hockey and Tennis Centre in London. First matches will be played on July 22nd. The Chinese team will play against the Italian team, while the Netherlands will play against South Korea. Sport is something that unites people from all over the world. Gender, age, height, political preferences do not make any sense when you are at the stadium supporting your favorite team. Event. События. Boat. Лодка. Race. Гонка. Competitors. Участники соревнований. To train. Тренироваться. Extremely. Чрезвычайно. Hard. Усердно. Race course. Ипподром. Ticket. Билет. Be popular with. Быть популярным среди. Fashion show. Модный показ. Presenter. Ведущий, диктор. Comment. Комментировать. Smart hats. Изящные нарядные шляпки. Snack. Перекус, закуска. Attend. Посещать. Audience. Зрители. Rowing. Гребля. Marathon. Марафон. Get out of breath. Выдохнуться, выбиться из дыхания. Imagine. Представлять. Exactly. Точно. Around. Вокруг. Take part in. Принимать участие в. Serious. Серьезный. Athlete. Атлет. Offer. Предлагать. Prize money. Призовые деньги. Majority. Большинство. To raise money for charity. Собирать деньги на благотворительность. Championship. Чемпионат. Tournament. Турнир. Spectators. Зрители. Queue. Очередь. Top players. Лучшие игроки.